So, good morning guys. So, let's continue the reporting of Group 2, Family Planning Methods of Conception and the Reproductive Health Law. Mutual decision of parents on when and how many children to have using either natural or artificial family planning method. In the Philippine context, sexual discourse is seemingly a taboo, but sex education is progressing with the reproductive health law. Kung moingon daw ta og family planning is mao daw ni siya ang way or plan na ginabuhat sa couples or married couples kung kanusa sila plano mag-anak, kung mag-anak ba sila or di, kung pila ka buok ang ilang plano na anak. Unya, makatabang po ni siya na maiwasan nila ang mga unplanned pregnancies, kanang wala gi planuhan nga magbuntis rag kalit or kanang sunod-sunod ang pagbuntis, like pag-ura ka ng anak karon na bulan tapos after 5 months nabuntis sad ka or more. Makatabang sad sa mga couple na mag-decide kung kanus ang right time na mag-anak sila og makaplano sad sila na makabuo og healthy na family. So, ang family planning is na ay duha ka klase na siya, which is ang non-surgical methods ug surgical methods. First, kumaingon ka og non-surgical methods is natural lang siya na ginabuhat sa couple, like wala siya gamit na medicine, badraa or surgery or device. Kani siya na method is dara niya gina-based on understanding the woman's body and menstrual cycle. So, number 1, calendar-based methods. Standard days method and calendar rhythm method involve tracking the length of a woman's menstrual cycles over time to predict fertile and infertile days. Ang calendar-based methods is from the word itself, ginagamitan niya og calendar na matrace niya ang menstrual cycle sa usa ka babae kung kanusa siya fertile, like buhaton na ninyo ang deed duha kay mabuntis jud siya, or kung kanusa siya infertile na gamay kay ang chance na mabuntis siya. So number 2, basal body temperature (BBT) method involves tracking a woman's basal body temperature every morning to detect the slight increase that occurs after ovulation. By observing patterns in temperature changes, fertile and infertile periods can be identified. Kung moingon datag ang basal kay natural way na ginabuhat na sa babae, mga babae na i-track ilang fertility by checking their body temperature kada buntag. Ang basal body temperature manggod is ang lowest body temperature in a day, and dapat naka-check ka sa imong body temperature bago ka mobangon. Kada buntag then dapat jud nimo kailangan na gamit og special BBT thermometer kay para measure jud nimo ang thermometer even the small changes, and more accurate pa jud siya kaysa sa regular one. Kay during the first part of a woman cycle manggod daw, before she releases an egg, ang body temperature mo lower siya slight, then after ovulation, after ang babae mag-release og egg, mag-produce daw ang iyang body og hormone na ginatawag og progesterone, which mag-cause na ang iyang body temperature is mo high siya na very slight lang kanina temperature, kay magstay siya na slightly higher until next period starts. So by recording a woman's temperature is makabulo siya kung kanusa siya pwede mabuntis o kung kanusa siya less ang possibility na mabuntis if himuon nila ang katong deed based sa iyang body temperature. So number 3, the effectiveness of natural family planning methods can vary depending on factors such as a cycle, regularity method, adherence, and individual circumstances. Artificial family methods, also known as modern contraceptive methods, involve the use of medical devices, medications, or procedures to prevent pregnancy. So, then, the effectiveness of natural family planning daw is kung giunsa sa babae para ma-regular ang iyang menstrual cycle, kung kanos giunsa niya pagdala, kung careful ba siya na mabuhat jud niya ang methods tas ang iyang personal health and lifestyle. For example, ang babae dili gina-check ang iyang monthly cycle or irregular iyang dugo in a correct way everyday, dili jud siya mag-work. Natural methods can be effectiveness man sad, pero if ginabuhat nimo siya sa tama na paraan ug consistent pud ka sa pagbuhat sa method. While ang artificial family planning methods, also called as modern contraceptives, is ginagamitan siya og medical tools, medicine, or procedures para ma-prevent ang pregnancy like condoms, pills, implants, or katong intrauterine devices ug injection. Kani siya is very effective pud siya kung ginabuhat nimo siya in a proper way, and reversible sad siya na way kay pwede nimo siya ma-stop o buhat if ever in the future gusto na nimo magkaanak. So number 4, a cervical mucus method. The cervical mucus method involves observing changes in the characteristics of cervical mucus throughout the menstrual cycle. The Billings ovulation method focuses on identifying the most fertile mucus patterns, while the Creighton model uses a standardized system of mucus charting. So ang cervical mucus methods is mao ni siya ang method pod na ginagamit kung kanusa ang babae fertile based on watching the changes sa iyang vaginal discharge, which is called cervical mucus. Diriya niya ginag-track if fertile ba siya based sa appearance, texture, and amount if hapit na ang babae sa ovulation phase. Ang iyang mucus is medyo slippery